Hello dear fans. Eiffel Tower, some facts of the history of the building. When it comes to Paris, in the minds of many people, not only thoughts of world-famous clothing brands, stunningly beautiful streets, architectural structures pop up. For many, it is the Eiffel Tower that is a real symbol of Paris and all the great splendor of the city. The Eiffel Tower is a monumental building that has become a symbol of Paris and all of France. The tower's creator, Gustave Eiffel, had no idea how popular his building would become. The tower, built in 1889, was intended for the opening of the World's Fair. The exhibition, in turn, was dedicated to the centenary of the Great French Revolution. According to the idea of the projectors, the tower was supposed to serve as an arched gate. And after 20 years of existence, they planned to demolish it. However, thanks to the radio antennas installed on the top of the tower, it survived. In fact, the tower project was not developed by the Eiffel alone. The first sketches were suggested by his students, Maurice Calin and Émile Noutier, but the project seemed too crude and simple to Eiffel. Therefore, to give grace, elegance, and sophistication inherent in the French, it was entrusted to Stéphane Sylvestre. Having brought together all the ideas and developments, Gustave Eiffel erected a grandiose structure over 300 meters in height in just 2 years and 2 months. At the time of its opening and for the next 40 years, the tower bore the proud title of the tallest building in the world. There is an inscription on the tower, which mentions everyone who helped Eiffel build and design the magnificent structure. In 1899, elevators were installed. Until that time, visitors to the tower had to climb to the top, breaking 1,792 steps. At various times, there were restaurants on the platforms of the tower, the building was used as a lighthouse, and illuminated advertisements were also placed on the tower. Thanks for watching.